In a monolith, ACID transactions, atomic, consistent, isolated, durable, keep everything in sync. But split it into microservices, each with its own database, and ACID shatters. Transaction chains break across service boundaries. This is the distributed transaction challenge. Coordinating without ACID guarantees. You need new patterns. To ensure atomic operations, start with two-phase commit. In the prepare phase, all participants agree, then the coordinator issues commit. But if the coordinator crashes between phases, participants hold locks indefinitely. This works reliably only within a single vendor's database cluster, like PostgreSQL with multiple databases. For cross-service events, use the transactional outbox. Update your database and write an event to an outbox table in one transaction. An async processor, like Debezium, then publishes it, ensuring atomicity without Saga complexity. For multi-step workflows, Sagas offer two approaches. Choreography. Services publish events after local transactions. Order service publishes order created, payment service charges and publishes payment charged. Elegant for linear flows, but with branching logic or more than 3 services, it becomes a debugging nightmare. Orchestration. A central coordinator, like Temporal used by Netflix and Stripe, commands services and tracks state with retries and timeouts. It adds a single point of failure, managed by running the orchestrator as a highly available cluster. When failures occur, like shipping failing in an e-commerce checkout, orchestrated Sagas run compensating transactions. Unreserved inventory, refund payment. But refunds take 3 to 5 business days, a different experience than never charging. To choose patterns, start with transactional outbox for reliable events. For simple chains across 2 to 3 services, use choreography. For branching logic or more services, orchestration like Temporal. Reserve 2PC for single vendor clusters. Avoid common mistakes. Design compensations early, limit choreography to 3 services, and ensure idempotency for duplicate commands.